Now the pepper soup is done. It is time for everybody to take their own. Hi, konnichiwa. It's another beautiful day, and on today's video, it's an outdoor mukbang video with my Nigerian brothers. So today's video is two ways we will be cooking Nigerian famous food, pepper soup pepper, live and direct. So you are going to see how Nigerian food is prepared. Pepper soup. I know you love pepper soup. Pepper soup is one of the Nigerian famous food. So let's see how it's cooked, and after cooking it, I'm going to eat it with my brothers. You know what they say about family that eats together? Of course, there is too much love and they stay together. By the way, this is Obisan TV vlog. Please make sure you subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hi, Seno. So welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day of seeing my video, please consider subscribing too, as this will motivate me a lot to create more content. So right now we are in front of the pepper soup pot. So take a look at the pepper soup. Kandi Yoruba na akpọ oti bojo. Nyakwe ho na aso. Poto no ofe. And over here is goat meat. You can see it's goat meat. And here is what we call dry fish. So as well, catfish, if we can see her. So we'll be using it to cook pepper soup. And over here is what it's called bomo. Bomo. So this one is okporoko, is stockfish. This is pretty expensive. Any Nigerian family you go and you see this, know that those families are really very wealthy family. This is food for the rich people in Nigeria. And here is what we call a egusi. Actually, I have not eaten egusi on my channel, but someday I will be eating it. In fact, today you are going to see how we are going to be eating this egusi. So this is what we have here. And you already know this one is onion. Every food in the world goes with onion. So now everything is complete. So this one, we have to cover it till further notice. So first, you start by cutting the meat into pieces. This is intestine of the meat, different parts, which after it, you have to wash it thoroughly to remove some of the fats and some of the feces that is still left in the intestines. You can see what it's doing. So after that, you put it on the stove and you add some water to start cooking it. Now you wash the onion, wash it thoroughly. Then the next process is to cut the onion into pieces and put in the pepper soup. Yes, onion is very good for it. After that, you add Cameroon pepper. What is put in now is called Cameroon pepper. Very famous pepper in Nigeria. Now it's time to add Maggi. Then cover the pot and allow it to boil for 1.5 hours. Now it is time to add the final spicy, and what is adding right now is called crayfish. The one he's holding is called Ozeza, very famous Igbo spicy. And this one is called Otazi leaf. So this one we make it have a very good aroma. This is very famous Igbo spicy too. And this one is spring onion. Spring onion will make the food look very colorful, very enticing to eat. And after that, it will be allowed to boil for the next 20 minutes. Now the pepper soup is done. It is time for everybody to take their own.
One thing I the way we just people out, that is, I would like to hate you mind, is quite alarming. Because he have food in Japan. Okay, do you believe a man and a poor chance? Only Jane get here, the child in Hajri Nata. Yeah, but only Yapo. ọ na-asụ na Japanese ọ na-eri n'eri ya kpọọ insurance company niile si onye ọbụla bịa n'ụlọ ya but they protect it you are everybody eziokwu dị gịnị eziokwu bụ meaning that
eziokwu na aba imanye akwakuchi a mere be m jede like this
I gbasi 1 hour 2 hours ebe ebe a ka esi ahụ
mkpuchi ahụjikwa akwa nke akwaghị m na gị nọ na be mmadụ ịlawụrụ problem
ọwụ na ihe a na ime rie na be gị
orukwu ya
ma nwa dị ihe dị ka
Japanese nwere ike ịdị bad nọrọ inside but ha na-eme eziokwu ka ha were godo eziokwu na-aga
ma nke dị understand me a na-akparịkọta nkata maka ebe anyị si ji
eziokwu
na-enwe sense of belonging.
yeah that's true yeah okwu gị mara mma because anyị chanyere ya emewe anụ afford n'ụlọ mana ọ due to the love yeah maka anyị ji ebe ya
ego ba ji gba fuel bịa you understand me the love ịghọtago ike o nwere ike abụrụ ofu onye wetara ihe a. You understand me? That the love.
Thank you for your commentary. Ngwa kube.
Ahụ Igbo anyị na-ekene ụlọ iwe wo Suzuka Ken na mama iwe Suzuka Ken na mama su ụbọchị taa wo December ka anyị na-agba so anyị gbe na-ekene Chineke n'ihe na-emela anyị ọ na-edu anyị eyi to eyi a arụsi onye ọbụla ike anyị na-asị ụtụ niile ọja mma niile ka ọ dụ Chineke n'ihe na-emela anyị so ihe anyị na-agwa ụnụ bụ na ụbọchị taa oyi dụ so anyị kpọkọ ndụba anyị ndọkọ dịka nwụọ so ihe anyị na-eme Chineke nna na onu anyị ekwere ka anyị wee baa arọ ọfụ ute ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike ndị ga-anakwa Igbo Chineke ga-edukwewe ejekwe bata n'udo na ọṅụ n'aha Jizọs
amen
so udo doro onye ọbụla n'aha Jizọs Kraịst bụ onye nwe anyị
amen. So guys, so we finish saying prayer and I hope you enjoy it. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Let me eat my own pepper soup.
Japanese